And we're live. What up, chat? What up, YouTube?
Where you from, Rube?
I'm from New York.
New York.
I know there's PPI tomorrow. What else is there? Just U.S. news. A whole bunch of U.S. news.
PPI. This is the last one of the year, right?
Yes, sir. December.
Ay. Gonna be crazy anymore.
Yeah, that's why gold might just chill till then, to be honest.
Probably in a range.
No, not necessarily, but
What you think is gonna happen? Fly?
yeah, I mean, yeah, it's trending up.
What's up, Martin?
And I think they're expecting bad news tomorrow, so bad USD, good gold.
Gold has been ripping.
Facts.
Damn, yesterday was a pretty nice day. Some levels didn't get that I was expecting to hit didn't get hit. Other levels did hit. This is kind of like my no trade range at this area. Some nice beats there.
Cooking right now.
Cooking or beats? Just go to GJ. Yeah.
Oh man.
Fuck GJ.
GJ's still doing the same thing. This looks like a nice little retest to continue to the upside. Is what I would want. I just don't like how we rejected this area.
Yeah.
167, 250 area, we rejected it. So we could tap back into this area around here, bottom of this range. What's up, Junior?
What's confusing me about it is that it keeps rejecting that resistance, but like it's making like higher lows in the range.
What's good, bro?
Yeah, I could see. What's up, brother? I could see the higher lows it's creating in the range. Like there's like this little trend channel that it's created, but it's kind of, I don't want to trade this range. I do like this trade idea that I had set from yesterday. It's still there. Yesterday did not play out at all. So let's see, because these were the sells that we called over here, and then we shot up, shot down, and then shot back up. Rejected that area we rejected the sells pretty heavily.
You got TP1, right?
Yeah, I only got TP1. I only hit TP1. I closed it at TP1. I didn't even. It was a 1-to-1 trade. You know, I said it. Like, I managed 0.5%. I liked this one more, waiting for the retest. But what ended up happening, price just kept shooting up, and then around 1 p.m. was when price decided to come back and test this area. But I wasn't on the charts at that time, so this trade idea, it's kind of invalid still. You know, in order for it to be valid, I want to see first, before I hop in this trade idea, first I want to see price start to close below this area, below this, which 166.750. I want to see it close below 166.750, trade below it, and then possibly take it to the downside. But I don't see it as I feel like we will battle it out at this range, that it's somewhat looking like we're in. Let me remove that. Yeah, look at this range it's sort of created, where it's sort of in. So we want to be careful with this.
Yeah.
Because yesterday, price was just very choppy. You know, we got the 1-to-1 trade down here, but came back, tapped out of this range, broke. It seemed like it was gonna respect. It still could respect, but we've kind of created this other trend line over here. So let's see, maybe price comes, retest, test this area of support. If it rejects it, we can possibly continue to push up and test this area again. We are testing it multiple times on the 30-minute time frames. Look at the higher time frames. So price does seem like it wants to break that area, but we're not breaking previous highs, as you can see. We rejected it. Look at all this reaction at this level. Quick question for you, dude. Do you manage winners as you do losers, or is it just the losers you manage? No, I manage both. So like when I'm winning, for instance, I'll let if I'm in a 1-to-1 trade, right, like yesterday's trade, I'll let my TP1 hit or my stop loss hit. If it's like a 1-to-2, 1-to-3 trade, what I normally try to look for at TP1, I'll start to put stops to break even, you know. From there, I'll pretty much let it run to TP2. If it doesn't hit, I get stopped out of break even, free trade. You know, to me, break even is a dub. So I'm okay with break even trades. And then even if I secure at TP2, I'll leave a runner with my stops at break even. I'll also, if I see that price will start to reject that TP2 area and maybe potentially come back to break even, I'll probably even secure all my profits. You know, at the end of the day, when you gotta accept what the market gives. Many times we're trying to catch 60 pips, 90 pips, and we don't take it just because we're trying to catch those pips, but the market's giving us 30, 40 pips. You know. So yeah, and when I'm losing, I just pretty much let it hit. I always make sure that I'm not over leveraging. That my lot size can, see 20 pips, 30 pips drawdown and my account be okay. I always try to do 1 to 2% per day. I'll try to manage 1 to 3 trades per day. So if I'm trading 3 trades, I'm not gonna trade more than 1.5%. If you protect capital, facts. What up, Eric? You gotta preserve your capital. Cash is king. And so at the end of the day, a break-even trade, you still stay cash and ready for the next trade. If you play video games, Call of Duty, it's a good way to compare trading to search and destroy. You want to be the last man standing. True. Good point. Good analogy. That's how my trading shifted once I looked at it as a video game. Marathon. Yep. Trading is a marathon. It's not a race. If you treat it like a race, you'll burn out faster than others. You'll burn through your capital. You won't have any capital left. You'll be left behind. And really with yourself, not with others. You'll just hold yourself back from the person you want to be. While the person you want to be is ahead, you'll always be behind him. So preserving your capital and protecting your capital will help you for sure, bro. Every single time. Think of it, you're here for a long time. This is your career. This is what many of us are here for. So that we can achieve our financial goals through this. And little by little, it's baby steps. How are you going to try to secure more than $10,000 on a 100K account when you can't even secure a couple hundred on a $1,000 account, or a $5,000 account, or a couple thousand on a 50K account, 25K account? So that's why I always like to, when I like starting off small. I know I can go and buy myself a 300K challenge and or 250K challenge or 200K challenge, but first I haven't accomplished certain goals with those 100K challenges yet. I just want to keep focusing there. I think it's right now I'm progressing and I'm seeing progress. So I like baby steps. Soon I'll be ready for that account. Once it comes, once the time is right, then I'll go on to a bigger account, then onto a bigger account. But it's not a race. I'm not in a rush to be trading $1 million. It'll come to me. The million will come to me, and I'll be ready when it does.
Facts, bro.
Bro, I've been super break even this month, and it's just been annoying as hell.
That's okay, bro. Break even is good, bro. You gotta look at it like, in a way, you're gonna be able, if you're in break even and you end the year break even, at least you can start the next year with cash. I promise you, there's gonna be people starting the year with no accounts because they were too busy chasing the bag, and they fumbled it because they were too busy locked in looking at the touchdown at the end zone instead of focusing on running with the ball. So We gotta preserve our capital. Once you start to accept break-even trades are okay, and I promise you, bro, your psychology will change for better, for good. What up, dollar? I respect the trader who play percentage risk based off his capital, not his feelings. That will go over people's heads. Facts. You know, I every week I set goals and I try to see like, okay, how many like pips am I willing to risk? You know, how much would that be in percentage? I know I'm gonna have, you know, I like having fixed lots, so I know I can only risk a certain amount of pips for the week. How many before I start thinking about how many pips I'm gonna catch? Because you know, at the end of the day, what makes a successful trader from a beginner trader or you know an unexperienced trader is that the successful traders are focusing on how much they're willing to risk, while the unexperienced traders focusing on how much they're going to win. You know, so it's always remember it's how much we're risking, how much we're willing to risk, and then the fruits will come given to us. Based if we play our cards right, if we play this right, if we you know master our own emotions. At the end of the day, we're our own masters of our own emotions. So learning to control your emotions when you want to get in a trade and not getting in, accepting that, being okay with your trade going out without you, you know, being patient for the next trade, even if it means waiting a whole day, you know, and in some case 2 days. So far this whole week, I've only taken 3 trades, you know, and one was break
Yeah,
even.
facts.
One got 90 pips, and the other one got 20 pips. So I'm up 110 pips with only 3 trades, and it's why I can sit here on a stream for 2 hours, an hour, 3 hours, however long I'm here, look at the charts and not feel the need that I have to trade. You know, I can not look at my MetaTrader apps through my phone and be okay with it throughout, for a whole day. If people start talking to me about trades, I don't even open up my charts. I just, oh, nice, nice. You know, I ask them questions. What's the support? What's the resist? Damn, it's at that area. Damn, you know, it's pretty cool. I like having those trading conversations, but I don't have to be on my phone looking at TradingView with my MetaTrader app on the next screen, ready to take a trade. You know, I have this. These are my business hours. This is my business. You know, my business hours are Monday through Thursday, London session hours, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. After that, I'm not available. And if I'm taking a trade, I'm on my screen, on my computer for New York session or for Asian session, but on my desk, on my computer, looking at in my office, where I can journal, where I can, you know, review my trades in this very moment. Because let's be real, you take a trade off your phone, anybody can do that. But are you gonna review your trade in that moment? No. Like it's just not the right time, you know. What's up? How's everybody's day? How's everybody's day on the chat on the Zoom? You guys had a great Thursday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good Thursday.
Well, the day's not over yet. We got a couple more hours till the day's over. At least for me, my day finishes like at 6 a.m. It's like my reset time. I feel like I accomplished a lot this week. I feel really great, and the week's not over, so I'm very excited for the weekend. You know, I can finish. I'm gonna finish strong. I will. Every day's a good day. It don't matter what happened in the charts. Facts. Big facts.
This week has been a very profitable week so far.
What's up, Adnan? What do you mean, nah, bro?
Damn, bro.
I'm in Cell G in GU.
That's stupid.
You're in GU, brother? I hope you win your trade, brother. Where'd you get in at? Are you in, oh shit. I like how I rejected this area pretty nice. We just have to, I think if you're in the cells, you'll be good, brother. It's looking pretty clean for you. Look at that 4-hour candle. What's your TPs? What's your TP is Malik? Dude, this daily trend line is pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie. Look how it's respecting it. So now I know this trend line is pretty valid, you know. Once I wanna see gold sell off, and I wanna see some reaction at this level. I wanna see what it does here before I consider getting in the trade. You know, and if gold wants to keep ripping up without me, that's fine. We are trading around 1800 level, so psychological area for gold. So let's see what it does. Let's see where we see our candle closures. So get the 2-hour closes in 45 minutes. If we reject 1800 again, we could be bearish on the shorter time frames. We have a 1 to 2 trade right there, potentially into a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 trade. I like this. But we have to reject this 1800 area first. We have to see candle closures below 1800, and we also want to see a trade below 1800. And wait for price action to give us clean indication that it wants to go to the downside. 1, 2, 2, 4, 18, 1 hour is clearly flipped, bro.
Yo, Rue, what happened to you, man? Why you got clapped?
What happened? Yeah, I got clapped on EJ.
AJ?
Yeah.
Damn, buy or sell?
I was gonna sell at that resistance because we broke above it and then we came back down and we're retesting and it was like a head and shoulders type of pattern.
Yeah.
I should have closed when I woke up during New York session and it was still ranging, but I held it. I was like, fuck it. I should have just closed it because there was no volume. And then when the New York volume did kick in, like around, I think it happened around like 11, it just stopped me out. And then it's still rejecting the same resistance that I entered off of right now. So it broke above and then broke below again.
On what? On gold?
EJ. My sells from yesterday. I'm not fucking with that level anymore.
What are you waiting for? What up, Ashley? Just here. There's nothing really going on. I'm just waiting for gold. Pretty much. I am bullish on gold, but what I want to see gold for me to possibly consider getting to buys, I want to see it close above 1800 and trade above it. If we reject this area, how we seem like so far, prices starting to slow down with volume to the upside. We're not seeing a lot of big candles with a lot of big bullish candles. So it could mean that price is just the volume on the buys are starting to die down. This daily trend line also coming from the bottom. It's pretty clean. It keeps rejecting it multiple times, so I'm pretty sure it's valid. I'm pretty certain that it's valid. So I want to see first gold reject this trend line, and then possibly continue to the upside, or we can just see gold just continue to rip up a couple more pips, you know, like 20 more pips, 50 more pips, and then we could possibly see a rejection at 1800 area. If it rejects 1800 and trades below it, I could possibly be getting into sells. I do see a 1 to 4 trade there, 1 to 2 trade at least, so I like it. But I'm just being patient. Um, Hello, Botero. I'm playing defense till next week. It's not bad. Not bad. That's very smart. We probably won't see much volume kick in till probably 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, pre-New York, you know. So,
I did like last night.
yeah, last night. Last
Bro, I
night.
think last night it was a holiday. That holiday that killed the volume. Yo, you guys trade meta trade on the PC or the phone?
No, I trade on my
I do
phone,
both.
but
Oh, the phone.
next
Cause
to
I
me.
was looking at these two, bro, for the PC. Uh, I think the name is account manager, something like that. It's like $100 a year. And what it does is you can set it up for that every time your trade hits like 10 pips or 15 pips to move the stop loss automatic to break even. And then at 20 pips, all the things that we do manually, that tool do it automatic. It's pretty cool.
You talking about magic keys?
Huh?
You talking
No,
about magic keys?
talking about
No,
account
no, no.
What's
manager.
up, Chino?
Account manager. That's the name.
Of
See, I
course.
do PC too, but PC is more confusing on MT5.
Bro, I bought magic keys and I don't even like them.
No, bro, check it out. Check it out. Check that one out. No, not that, not that. It's automatic stuff, bro.
No, I
You
know.
set it up for
I
your
was saying
trading.
that I bought it though and I didn't like it.
Mm.
The magic keys, not the account manager shit. What website is that on?
No. You bought it directly from MetaTrade 4.
Oh. I had a Mac, so I don't got that shit on my computer.
Gotcha. It's a tool that you install on the MetaTrade 4. It's pretty dope though.
Of course, I remember you, Ashley. What up, Chino? So we're waiting for gold. Yeah. Well, there's probably not gonna be a lot of movement on gold. I'm just waiting for we're in pre-London right now. Market's open in an hour for London session. GJ is just in this like range. I'm not really willing to trade.
GJ fly at the
Let me see something here. I haven't looked at the charts all day, Ashley. So it's just I'm just taking my time analyzing the charts, seeing what could be some potential buys or potential sells on my pairs. Remember, I traded only two pairs really, or GJ and gold, and sometimes I'll go and trade EJ very rarely, or I'll trade US 30. But my main pair is gold. I love gold. Gold is my favorite pair to trade. But right now we're just waiting.
After yesterday, I retired EJ.
Yeah.
I haven't won an EJ trade since October, bro. I was going through my journal. I was like, bro, fuck this.
I like GJ. Right now I'm pretty bullish on GJ, but I do feel like we missed the trade if we were looking for buys. The trade was down here at the bottom. We missed
yeah,
it.
bro, definitely missed it.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna get in the middle of this like range that it has.
Yeah, I was okay with missing it though, because this shit is nasty.
What up, Anthony? Hey, I made it. Shout out coffee and irresponsibility. I actually wanted a cup of coffee before I got home. I was driving and I passed by like this bakery that opens pretty early, like at 5 o'clock in the morning. I was hoping they'd be open, and I was about to pull in, and I noticed they were closed, and I was like, damn. I wanted like some Cuban coffee with like some tequeños with like guava and cheese and stuffed inside of them.
Wise guys.
But no coffee for me today. I'm drinking water. I love it. Hello guys, I would love to follow this session.
That actually sounds good right now.
Huh?
The guava with cheese.
The guava with cheese, that's fire, right? Where are you from, Junior?
I'm from New York, but I live in Orlando.
Oh shit. Rue is from New York too.
Yes, sir. Wait, someone else from New York?
Yeah, me.
Where are you from?
Gia, the Bronx.
Oh shit, I'm in the Bronx. What's up?
I guess
I
Bronx
was
is
in
the
the
place to
185th
be.
in Concourse.
I live on Bronx Park East.
How far is that from each other?
Vancouver.
How far?
Yeah.
The Bronx is small, so it's not far at all.
Yeah, like on the train, probably like 10,
Probably like 10
15.
minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. I love that train, bro. That train is lit. The in Manhattan, that train was so lit.
I still gotta be careful though with some of these trains in the Bronx.
What? Oh, in the Bronx?
Yo, bro, that's what I was telling him, bro. Listen, he was wandering the train, bro. He was wandering
Can't do
through the
that.
city like he ran this shit.
You can't do that.
Yeah, he
You might get away
moved.
with it in Manhattan or something, but not in the Bronx.
And even at nighttime, Manhattan gets crazy though.
Yeah.
What up, Hannes? Hello, guys. I would love to follow this session to the end, but first, I would like to know who are you guys, if you can present yourselves. Bro, this is a freedom trading gang. This is all of us from freedom trading, you know? We just pretty much trade London. We trade London session every day. So we're here every day. It's 2 a.m. to like 5 a.m. Welcome, bro. Welcome. We'd love to have you here.
Welcome to the fam, boy.
Facts. What's up? It's me, Chino from Discord. What up, Chino? Is this a new YouTube channel or am I tripping? I guess we're pretty new. Like like Freedom Trading is the YouTube page itself is new, but Freedom Trading we've been around for a while actually, and Dr. Dollar was the one who really got this going really. So it's what else? Botero. FX all day. What do you guys think about Euro GBP for swings? I don't trade EJ to be honest with you, but I'd be down to look at it since we're not really everything's rangy for us right now. Do I even have it? I have it right here. Pretty bullish on EJ so far. I had just set up a trend line not too long, a couple minutes ago. Here on the 4 hour, we seem to be respecting it, so I think we should see price continue with a little bullish move. I just want to see a first breakout of previous highs.
Right there.
You know,
The pontoon release right there.
we seem to not be breaking all these highs, and we just seem to be respecting it and continue to push the downside. But we are breaking market structure in the 4 hour time frame, so I do think we could see a possible reversal coming from the bottom. At 141, 140, 500 area, 140, 700. So if we start to see candle closures above 144, I think we should be fine for the buys here. Whoever's thinking about like EJ buys, I think they'll play out. And coffee would go hard. Facts, right?
No, I don't think so. I don't think anybody here from Slovenia.
That what?
In the chat, somebody, is there anyone here from Slovenia?
Oh, from Slovenia. No, that'd be dope if we do have somebody from Slovenia. Are you from Slovenia, Hannes? Am I saying your name right? Hannes? Janis? People say my name wrong
Janis.
a lot, so let me know if I'm saying your name wrong, bro. I dislike saying people's name wrong, just because my whole life people have said my name wrong, you know?
But even, my name is Spanish, and even Spanish people say my name wrong.
Yeah, in Spanish, people call me Jean, John. You know,
That's your name in Spanish, bro. Jean.
My name in Spanish is Jean Paul. You know, in English it's Jean Paul. It's actually French. But the only people who get my name right are Haitians, French, and that's pretty much
But
it.
where you from? Where you from, JP?
I'm French.
No.
No, I'm kidding. I'm born and raised from South Florida, Miami, but my parents are from Ecuador. I consider
okay.
myself more Ecuadorian than
Yeah,
American, if I'm quite honest.
you know
with
when your parents speak Spanish, right? Your mom speaks Spanish.
Of course, they were both born there.
I bet she only said your middle name when she's mad at you.
No, I don't have a middle
Paul,
name.
come over here.
It's all together. It's Jean Paul, all together. It has a hyphen.
Oh shit, it's all together?
Yeah, my name has a hyphen.
Oh damn.
I just don't put my hyphen in my name, but my name is like all together, Jean Paul.
Yeah, I thought it was a middle name.
No, thank God. I don't know. I don't like middle names. Yeah, I got busy day tomorrow, but I gotta get my chart time in. Facts. We don't have to trade. Just put some time in for your charts. You know, an hour a day. Back test. Whether if you back test, if you don't back test, just be live on the chart. Just see what price does. You don't have to be in a trade to be able to say you're looking at the charts or that you're just studying the charts. At the end of the day, this is a profession, and not there's gonna be no trade days, which are winning days in my eyes. Because we'll stay cash on those no trade days.
Oh man, what's EJ doing?
It's Saki, Manhattan, FG5 the Savior. What up, brother? What's good, gents? Thanks for presentation, of course, brother. Is there anyone from Slovenia? No. Not EJ, Euro GBP. Sorry, let me see. I think I'm pretty bullish on EG. Damn, I don't think I've ever traded this pair, to be honest. I'm always like trading EJ instead. But same thing, we have this trend line coming from the bottom. It seems to be correlating with EJ. I'm not sure if they correlate because I don't really look at these pairs simultaneously, but I am pretty bullish looking at this chart. But higher time frames, keep going to the higher time frames. Yeah, we could start to see more bullish momentum kick in during the sessions. Or we could respect this level. This level seems to be a clean area of resistance. So we could respect this level and continue to reject to the downside and test this area of support down here at the bottom. So this would be kind of like risk. These would look like risky sells. You would want to see. I would want to see first price. If I were to consider getting to these sells, I want to see price break out of this trend line and close on the 2 hour. Let's see the 2 hour again. So or the 4 hour. I want to see the 4 hour close below this trend line and trade below this range to possibly take some sells. Now this would be like your risky sells area, and your safe sells would be down below here. So it would be like safe sells down here, and then risky sells right here. But why would you sell with all this bullish momentum, So you want to be careful. You want to see price. If price starts to break out of these highs, you could possibly catch some buys. You would want to see candle closures above this area, and then you can trade the breakout of these previous highs, or you can trade wait for a retracement and then trade the breakout of a retracement. Say J like yes. Oh, Giannis. You have a Spanish accent. Yeah, I do. I often hear that I have like this Cuban accent because I was born and raised in Miami.
That's what I thought you was. I thought you was Cuban.
I get that every day. Today I had like two people think I was Cuban.
See, I get Puerto Rican a lot. I'm not even Puerto Rican.
I like your background music. Thank you, brother. It's some lofi music. Guy, what is your opinion about prop firms? Now is one very warm thing on FX market. Prop firms, there's so many of them, Just my best advice with prop firms is go with the most reputable one, the one that has like the best customer service. I'm willing to trust new prop firms based off like their customer service really. Like if they respond to me fast, emails or chat, You know, same if they've had the same server for a while. If they're switching servers constantly, you know, that's kind of a red flag. If they take too long to reply to you, red flag. I also like, since I've been heavily invested in the industry for quite some time. I've met a couple people who have already gotten payouts from different prop firms. So I sort of try to stay with those prop firms that I know personally, that friends or people I know have gotten payouts from. If I know the owner of the firm, even like more trustworthy. But you know, at the end of the day, it's a prop firm. You know, they set their own rules. It's their capitals. We gotta play by their game until we've got our own capital and we can set our own rules. You know, and but um, but yeah, there's a lot of good ones out there. FTMO, my Forex funds, top tier, nations. Um, my Forex fund next is another good one that I've been hearing a lot lately. So yeah.
I'm using FTMO and my Forex fund right now, both of them. I just passed the first phase on my Forex funds. Now I'm working on the FTMO.
Good shit, brother.
Which one you got, JP?
I got nations and my Forex funds.
You gotta pay out for my four funds
My
already?
Forex funds, I'm getting a payout on the 15th. Yeah, I've had this 50K account for quite some time, like already 3 months, 4 months.
Got you.
I got the 100K one on my Forex funds.
Oh, I got
Lit.
another one. I got a 50K Monday. I think the day that we talk about it.
My
FTMO, I got the 50K.
I think the next one I'm gonna guess the one that you're using, Lolo. The funded next. I really
you
like
shoot, man.
what you told me about them. That they pay you 15% of what you make in evaluation phase, and then they
I
give
was
you a
looking on
refund
that.
fee. I'm willing to
Yeah,
try
and the
them out.
customer service, it's hella fast, bro.
I'm willing to try them out.
Yes,
You know.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, I've never seen it too. Now it sounds, you know, a little
I
too
might
good
try
to be
them.
true. But Lolo, you're ahead of me there. So if I'm rooting for you with a payout, brother. So like you can tell me that they're legit.
Yeah, bro.
You know. So, but either way, even you know, I'm willing to give them a shot myself, and you know, risk. I'll start off with a small account and test them out.
They all got like 10% now. 10% off.
See? Wait, they have it for 10% off right now.
Yeah.
Nice. You think they'll?
My
You think these proffers
For any
will do
account?
bigger discounts for Christmas season? I don't think they'll be as big as Black Friday, but
They all have 10%. My Forex funds as well.
nice, nice.
Yeah, on Monday I got a 50 account, a $50,000 account for my Forex fund as well. I'm 1% away, bro. 1% away to pass phase one.
Which one is FCFF?
I don't know. Never heard of it.
I am in gold cell entries 196.66 TP and 192. Oh, entry 195, 1795.66 and TP's 1792.42. Oh shit. Nice, brother. I think you'll definitely hit TPs.
Bro, GJ Fly.
GJ login. Um,
GJ Flu.
FTMO all day. Yeah, Will, what's up, Will? A lot of people, FTMO is, I think, is crowd's favorite, I think, for like a lot of people. You can get a 500 account from FTMO if you buy a challenge tonight. Damn. 10% plus
Always
14
on
day
options.
extra. Huh?
Well, one of the comments said, "What's the best broker?" I was asking Forex or options.
Oh yeah, you trade options too, brother?
Binary. Yeah, I do both.
First class.
Use
Bro,
market
for
options.
options,
Yeah.
trading,
And
Bruh.
IQ option.
oh man, I used to use
I
swing.
usually race option until they close.
Bro, I forgot the name, bro. Swing, Tinker Swing. There you go.
It's not here, but that one. Right now I use IQ and pocket option.
Or options?
Pocket option.
Okay, got you. But isn't that the thing that you bet 10 up or 10 down?
No, it's really just time based.
10
Like, you
by
got to a
8,
trade for
something
like
like that.
5 seconds trade, a minute, 2 minutes. Just same
Got
thing as
you,
Forex,
got
just time based.
Got you. Damn, gold is melting.
I mean, I can consider myself a sniper. I don't know. Get in, get out. Bro, I'm in a toxic ass relationship with US 30 right now. Toxic ass relationship
playing,
with
bro.
US 30.
You be trading US 30 in London or New York?
New York.
TP smash, nice, brother.
I almost got smoked this morning. I almost got smoked.
You got a pretty clean entry.
I took like a fake entry on GA.
Wow.
I'm looking for another pair to replace EJ to look at.
Oh, but I think we're gonna break those lows. Break those lows, JP.
So I'm gonna
We
practice
could.
on GA.
2 hours
We're
looking
having a
nice. But
bearish volume.
2 hour closes in 20 minutes. Let's see how this. I'm just gonna wait for the entry for the sells was up here, so I already went without me. I'm gonna wait for kind of closure on the 2 hour, and let's see what type of wick we create. We also closed the 1 hour time frame. We closed in 19 minutes. Let's see. I think whoever's in this gold sells already. I think stops to break even would be safe, and you could possibly even catch this whole move to the downside. But let's see how we react right now.
So I'm not getting into the price at 1780. Maybe. I'm not getting earlier than that.
I just passed the first phase on my FTMO. Nice shit, brother. Good shit. For real.
Let's go.
Bigger things to come for you, brother. Just keep focused. Keep doing what you're doing, and you'll get a payout.
Yes, sir.
Oof, look at those cells. Look at how they melt. This is exciting, when I see stuff like this, even if I'm not in it, it's pretty exciting,
Bro, in the 1 hour, those stop. Yeah, on the 1 hour, man. If they candle flip, the stop loss would be nice.
I paid dollar to help me pass that LOL. He only put one trade. I did the test. The rest. Good shit, brother. Got it. Hey, you just proved. You don't go. You can do it on your own, brother. You just proved yourself something. Now look at this sort of channeling upward. Let's see if this is valid. Possibly channeling upward with some nice wedge.
Taking so long to roll that up.
And we could see a little breakout at 1800 to the downside. We can see a breakout to the upside, or we can see a rejection and come back to the downside. So if we start to break out of this area, I will be bearish on shorter time frames. I like your logo, Chino. What is that, an NFT or an ape or something? It looks like an ape. Looks like a bounce on support. Possibly, yeah. Let's see. That's why I marked up this horizontal ray over here. Let's see if we zoom out to the left. Let's see if we can see any other areas where with that area. It's been since August. We have to go to August higher time frames. August was the last time we reached that area.
Yo, we're all mad quiet.
My bad. I'm like in my zone right now, trying to analyze this right
I'm
here.
smacked right now.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
me
smacked.
too.
You took a ripper.
I'm smacked, bro.
I thought the Zoom stopped for a second.
Nah. Yeah,
I got froze up or something.
that just reminded me of this. I was watching this guy's live, Aiden Ross, and it's pretty funny how he freezes up on his lives on people that like who just freeze with his friends, and people will actually think there's something wrong with the Zoom, and then they just kick them out. I'm just making sure the charts are comfortable for me in terms of like everything is nice and neat. I know it may look out of line, out of order sometimes, but these are just horizontal rays where I'm seeing where price can reject or where there's a lot of reactions at those areas. But this is my area of resistance right here. Let me draw actually another one of these over here. This will be my area of support. Let's move this body down a little bit. I already completed 10%. Fire. Do I have to complete the 10 days on my FTMO? Yeah, bro. So just make sure you put 0.001s, and if it doesn't let you just put like a 0.01. Get in and just get out until you complete your 10 minimum trading days. Are you a swing trader? No, bro. I just focus on 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 trades. I don't really swing. I don't know, what do you consider a swing trader? I consider a swing trader somebody who trades from weekly, dailies, and monthly time frames. I don't really hold positions for days, maybe 1 day max, but I don't really intend to stay in a position for more than a day or more than half a day. And most of my trades are really intended to secure profits within an hour to 3 hours. Anything more than 3 hours, I'm already looking to manage my risk, or if I'm in profit, I'll put stops to break even, maybe secure profits. But I've been trying to transition, more from like less scalping to more swinging, trying to find the higher time frame moves. So I'm just 4 hours supporting resistance. That's my style of trading. That's what most of my trades are. Very few trades of mine are breakout trades. If they're breakouts, they're like 1 to 1, 1 to 2. But my my higher time frame trades, they're like 1 to 3, 1 to 4. I'll try to target, maybe I'll secure profits at 1 to 2 or 1 to 3s. So I just hit a mean ass dab. Alright, bet, bro. I started the FTMO 3 days ago. Yeah, bro, you got 7 days left. So just all you gotta do, weekend's about to come. Trade Bitcoin with a .01, throw a position, get in, get out. So like that, you can complete your trading days over the weekend as well. So when Monday comes, you're already ahead, and you're like 5 days, 6 days into it. A lot of people don't trade the weekends because they forget that crypto markets are acceptable.
Weekends is when I trade options.
Options. I was thinking about putting some money in options. I use Thinkorswim or Robinhood. I like Robinhood. I'll use Robinhood until like I have like 3 day trading trades, and then I'll go to Thinkorswim. And then once those 3 trading days go by, and then I'll just use Robinhood again, because I have the Robinhood card, so I like it how I can like, if I make money off of it, I can just use that to pay for my expenses, and then if I don't trade, or if I just have the money there, I'll just won't use it or anything. I like the fact that I can withdraw whenever I want. With Thinkorswim, I have to wait a couple days. But yeah. I was thinking about putting some money in Robinhood and
options, like
Thinkorswim.
real instant.
Huh?
Like options, like I withdraw a couple times in an instant, like an hour.
From Robinhood?
From the broker itself.
Which broker do you use?
Pocket option.
Market options.
Pocket.
Oh, pocket options?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like that. Pretty much every candle, you're pretty much saying it's gonna go up or down, right?
Yeah. It's time based.
That shit is crazy. I've never done that.
Like my smallest trade I ever took was 5 seconds.
And your longest trade?
My longest 5-6 minutes. I like option when Forex is closed.
So you can trade. Wait, but when Forex is closed, you said?
Yeah, during the weekend you can still trade options during the weekend.
No way.
But it'll be OTC. It'll be over the counter prices.
Eric, this is your chart. Eric, are you in here? What up, Turkey?
Yeah, this is just a trade idea. The next one.
Eric is hella quiet, bro. What's up, man?
What's up, bro? I mean, nothing going on. What are you guys looking at? I mean, are you seeing anything?
We're just being patient, brother. We're just some patient traders waiting for candle closures.
It's good, guys.
My paper trade hit profits on GA.
Yeah, Chino, bro. Pocket option lit.
Did you get a new phone? How you guys get MT4 on iOS? Oh yeah, what's up, Miguel? You might not be able to download it, brother.
They take it out from the App Store, bro.
Yeah.
What I did, I got a new iPad, and if you already download it from like an old phone or something, you could just put the same iCloud on whatever new device you have, and you can download it.
Oh yeah, you click not on this iPhone, right?
Like I don't know. I just go through. I just put. I signed in. I don't know. I just signed in through the same iCloud, and then I went to purchase section in the App Store.
And it
Apple
should
Store.
appear. That's how I downloaded it on my new phone.
Yeah, that's how I did. Yeah.
Yeah, you click not on this iPhone.
I got
That's
scared.
how I did for my.
When I got my new phone, I was like, bro, I'm not gonna be able to trade off my phone anymore. I guess I'm gonna have to do it off my desktop, and I kind of low key like freaked out. I was like, fuck, man.
I don't like it. On the desktop, I don't like it.
I like it. It's just there's just too many. Like I have 3 screens, and I like having all my 3 screens like the way they are. So I like having my phone next to me, and then I'm just clicking the button. You know.
It's preference. But hey, I'm telling you, this GJ, the sales, if we run those highs, bro, it's game over, bro. Sales about to get back. Like, I'm positive.
if we reject
It's
this
just
area,
sales are not ready yet. They're
yeah, I
just
want to
not
see
ready.
us reject this
Like
area.
sales want to get at a better area.
Is this your area where you have it?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Wait, zoom out. I don't know. If you zoom out, you'll be able to see. I can't tell. Man.
That's your chart, Eric?
Yeah. No, a little bit higher. Yeah, that's my chart. Like that 169.
Oh, up here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this daily on GJ looks bullish so far. Look how rejected he sells.
Bro, I mean, realistically, we're just accumulating order. It doesn't matter what happened on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, it tells us that price is just building a lot of liquidity and we're ranging pretty aggressively.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Every time G's in consolidation, you know for a fact that breakout is going to be massive. That last time breakout, I mean, we were in consolidation for about like 2 months, and we broke out like 500 pips in a day. That was pretty insane. That bullish run.
Yeah, I want to see us close above this area. Right now, we are in like a no trade range, like you said.
No, I mean, I'm speaking for like going into next week. I'm not expecting like today, oh, we're going to shoot up and drop.
No, yeah,
facts. Speaking from a next week perspective, that's what I'm leaning towards. If I can see price give me what I want to see, I'll be open to short. I just don't think it's ready to get short. How many times we try to push
I can see that happen now.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at like what's been happening, we've been just rejecting. Like buyers just been fading off every sell-off.
Yeah, the longer the level of support resistance holds, the bigger the move will happen after it breaks. So this is it's been here. So.
Same thing for gold too. Like gold wants to sell off. It's just not ready yet. Like I can see that. Like it's a lot of confluence you can see into it. I mean, that's fine. Let's say like price run highs. That's fine. I mean, I would love to see that if we can see price break 1810. There is an area on the daily 1814. Definitely can bring a lot of selling pressure. Like, in my opinion, I don't think really PPI are going to do too much, in my opinion. I think next week is where it's going to be. I mean, yeah, you can see a spike when news come out. It's normal. But realistically, like, I don't really see any crazy thing happening on Friday. I mean, last PPI, nothing really happened. We just spiked. And
well, hopefully the report's not too bad, because if it is bad, after all,
bro, it doesn't, like, listen, let me tell you something. When the news come out, it's irrelevant what happens.
Markets react.
Let me explain to you why, because the market already priced in ahead of time. The market is ahead of us, bro.
Yeah.
Like you gotta understand that. Like whatever, when the news come out, when the interest rate come out, it's like, let's say like if the interest rate come out at 50 points, we already priced in on gold. 50 points. I mean, everybody was anticipating 50 points. Like the market moved based off rumors. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Based off rumors, there was rumors that 50 points was gonna happen on December, and that's literally what drove the stock market up, drove gold up, drove dollar bearish, and drove the GJ bearish too. Because as long as the dollar gets weakened, the yen usually gains strength. So, like, there's a lot of things that went into factor why gold is going up. Like when something is going up, you have to question why is it going up. You get what I'm saying? Like, you gotta kind of investigate, see what happened, what kind of went into it. But that's the thing, like when the news come out, it's really irrelevant what happened. That's why, like, I don't really trade when the news come out. I try to trade before ahead. I basically play the rumors. You know what I'm saying? If I hear there's a rumor, like this basically central bank, they might be switching, they might start pivoting, then okay, I might be looking into switching my bias on this pair. I mean, that's literally the point. You want to be with the big boys. The big boys already have information ahead of time. They spend millions of dollars literally every year
facts.
on fundamental information. Like they spend a lot of money to actually get some inside information. Do you get what I'm saying? So they already know what's gonna happen ahead of time. So you just put their bets, and they can't really lose. I mean, if they're already moving with everybody.
That's a 3D and a 3D perspective.
That's literally
right
just
there.
the true reality. Like I'm sorry, but whoever trading when the news come out, you're literally just hoping for price to go in your favor. It's kind of like gambling. You know, I mean, it's cool. You can kind of be right, but I can guarantee you don't want to play that game where you're right a couple times and you start seeing back-to-back losses, because it can go wrong. If you put a stop loss when you're getting into the trade before like CPI or news come out, like you literally asking for an account to get blown. You're definitely gonna get what is it called?
Oh,
I was about to say.
I
You already know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
and they've been really hawkish lately.
Liquidity, like what do you call it when the broker?
Liquidated.
I'm having a brain fart. When the broker has they just cut you off because they can't
You get liquidated.
liquidate it, I guess.
Fill you in at a different price. Basically, they're gonna like when you have a stop loss, they're gonna take you out at a different price. It could be 90 pips down. It could be 100 pips. Because what happens when news come out, most brokers they widen the fuck out of the spreads.
Yeah, but I do think it's
If
possible.
you have your stop loss 20 pips, you usually get taken out as soon as you enter the news.
Slippage. That's the word. Thank you, guys.
I mean, yeah.
Thank you, chat. Nations respect stop loss during news, no slippage. Yeah, that's why I like Nations. You know, there's a lot of.
To be honest with you,
Yeah.
that's kind of like not really true, because every broker, every prop firm, they don't have control over that.
It's just something.
Like you can't really stop. You can't take people out when the price come in when there's a lot of volume volatility coming in. It's like when there's a lot of orders coming in, obviously orders gonna get paused. Just look at it this way. It's like Bitcoin transaction. Sometimes your Bitcoin, when you send payments, it takes longer because there's a lot of orders that getting sent to the blockchain. It's the same shit with the brokers. Like they don't have control over it. When news come out, that's the reason why sometimes even when you lose like your life capital, you lose money, the brokers don't really gonna give you a refund or return your money, because that's your fault. You made that decision. You want to trade news? That's literally what comes with it. You know?
I like low-key how gold is setting up. If we can make a nice bottom wick, I do like this. Let's see, from here 50 pips. But this area, let's see, this area, how far is it from here? 30 pips, a little one-to-one. Nah, I'd rather wait. I'd rather be patient and catch it up here. But let's see if this I also don't like how we haven't been breaking previous highs, so it's not too clean for me. I just like it because we're in this channel, in this uptrend. Now we start to uptrend, we could start to see price break these previous highs, but let's see. Let's be patient, you know. So far we still have some bearish volume, seeming like it wants to create a lower wick. Let's not enter on impulse. Let's wait.
15 minutes had a nice reaction.
Let's look at the 30-minute real quick before looking at the 15. Yeah, look at this 30-minute rejection, and the 15-minute probably is gonna have, yeah. This is a very weak bearish candle. Let me see this trade idea real quick. $25 pips, 30 pip take profit, 1-to-1 would be 25 pips. That would be like a 1-to-1 trade right there. But
somebody said it's 100% sells. Trust me.
Yeah, it's better to be patient, you know. Price can still, we're having some bearish push, so it'd be very silly to just impulsively get in on the buys. But if I see the buys, I wouldn't mind executing, you know. I'm up as fuck for this week. Risk 0.5%.
Bro, I just don't like how the freaking Fed's been hawkish lately.
That what?
The Federal Reserve been hella hawkish lately.
Hawkish?
I mean, bro, we just wait, bro. Just literally wait until January, bro. We're gonna see the after effect in the CPI. CPI is gonna increase, bro. All that spending that's been happening, it's definitely not good. Like, that's cool, all the noise, you know, Powell, he was a little bit dovish, okay, that's cool. But at the end of the day, we're getting back to where we're supposed to. Like, there's a lot, like, it's gonna take a long time. Yeah, we're definitely gonna take a while. I mean, I feel like how I look at it since the beginning, something has to break for them to actually be like, okay, yeah, we gotta stop this. You know, but I don't see anything broken here. I mean, the labor market is a lot of jobs, you know. I mean, there is layoffs and stuff, but there is jobs opening still. I mean, I've been looking at the jobs opening. There hasn't really been decreasing that much. I mean,
Giannis, so
that's when they fucked up that.
Giannis, so I'll put like trade ideas just so I can have an idea of where I would consider getting in, but I let people know when I'm in. Like, I'll let like you'll know. Like, I'll say I'm in and I'll show you my position of anything. Like, you know, but. It's just I just set up trade ideas so I can see areas where I would potentially get in, and I'll start to like look for confluences. I'll start to see areas where there's a lot of reaction. If I have a clean stop loss, if my take profit is valid, you know, if it's just a 1-to-1 trade, I'm not so convinced in it because I'm not really trying to take 1-to-1 trades. You know, I like 1-to-3 trades, 1-to-2 trades. So I most of the times I would consider myself patient enough to be able to like. Wait for that right trade to set up, you know. But yeah, I don't consider trade ideas signals. I don't even talk about trade ideas really like the next day. Like if it plays out, it plays out. There's a lot of people who have ideas, and this is like my journal, you know. I said it yesterday, like this is how I journal, you know. Constantly look at ideas and I just voice them out loud. I'm a visual person, so I like having them out there. So if I do get in and I, you know, get clapped, I'll go and review my trade. And if I win, I'll still review my trade. But it all starts with an idea, just like, you know. That's how I trade really. Every trade that I take, it pretty much starts off as an idea, and then I just execute on it, you know. The way I see it is, for me to see if this idea is valid or not, I have to put money in. That's why I manage risk. How much am I willing to risk to find out if this trade idea is valid? If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. But if I always manage risk accordingly, you know, and then whatever I secure is whatever, like the rewards for executing on that idea. It's just the way, this is how I, you know, a lot of the way I trade is really based off of my personality, and I'm like the type of person that if I have an idea, I want to act on that idea. You know, sometimes I get creative, and you know, just like anything, like you should never really, if you guys ever have an idea, you guys should act on it. Why are you guys gonna let people tell you your idea sucks, or your idea is this, or your idea is that? Everybody has different ideas, you know. So long are you?
And patience.
So long are you in Texas? Is that what you mean by TX? No, I'm in Florida. How many years do you?
I think she meant thanks, mate. Like, thank
oh.
You.
How many years do you fight with it? You know, losing and so on. Every day is every loss is a lesson learned, brother. So if I'm not losing, I'm doing something wrong. You know. Every day I'm trying to pick up on a new lesson, you know. I'm not just gonna learn off my wins. Why did you take GJ Longs at Juan Zapata?
GJ Longs?
No. Sean is asking somebody from the chat. Juan. He just executed on buys on GJ.
Yo, look at the dollar chart I sent on the DXY.
I was just looking at that too. Like 10 minutes ago.
I'm telling you, bro, don't just like if you zoom out, you will see all the answers, bro. Don't ignore the fact that we've been rallying up for a while and we just finally seeing a normal pullback. which literally could fade off in any second. And remember, all these big banks, their target on the DXY is 120, bro.
Yeah.
They're targeting 120, so they're expecting. I mean, if the banks are saying that, the big institution like JP Morgan, they're saying that. I mean, you definitely want to listen to what they're saying. They're clearly spending a lot of money on research. So, like I said, I mean, we definitely got a long way to go.
I meant those years when you didn't know what you were doing. Oh, how did I handle those losses? At first, it was tough. I'm not gonna lie. I would beat myself to them. I would blame myself. I got to a point where I thought I was broken, and I had those moments where I wanted to give up, and just like everybody. But having the right support around you, I had Dollar. You'll meet Dr. Dollar eventually. Maybe tonight. Having him, having like friends like Botero and those close friends that trade as well, having the right circle. Like I stopped surrounding myself with friends who didn't trade because they would just give me their opinion on what trading was for them and based off their experience as trading. Because I had some friends that were traders too that gave up, and then they would try to like discourage me about trading just because their trading path did not go the way they wanted it to. And then my family is very traditional and old school, so to them trading, for me to focus on trading, it's like stop focusing on trading, stop gambling, stop risking, do something that's secure, do something that's safe, go to school. you know it's long, but it pays off in the long term, but then again, I think my friends, I think those that really understood me and supported me, because at the end of the day, this is what makes me happy. I feel like every day I do what I've always dreamt of. So, accepting my losses and learning from those losses, instead of looking them as losses, looking them as like lessons to be learned. And then I got to a point where I'd get happy every time I lose, and then people would think I'm weird, and then it gets to a point where I'm losing less and less. Because I just kept digging for gold. It's just like that picture where you see the guy digging for gold on the top, and then on the bottom the same guy, just one guy is giving up and the other guy just keeps digging when the diamonds are all the way at the end, and the other guy gave up right when the diamonds were right there. So you just gotta keep going. I don't you just can't give up. I did not risk a whole year for nothing. Might as well risk another year. At the end of the day, I'm young. I'm 23 years old. So I'm like, if this doesn't work out, whatever, I'll lose like a couple years of my life, and then I still have a whole lifetime. But what if it does pay out? And if it does work, and I do become profitable?
Retire by 25.
By the time I'm 25, and the next thing I ended up being profitable even younger than that. So like, I really thank myself for not giving up. I'm very thankful to myself for supporting myself and for being strong, and really handling myself better. You just gotta first learn. I believe a big tip that I would give everybody, to beginner traders who need that motivation: study yourself. Study your own psychology. Learn more about psychology. Learn more about yourself. What type of person are you? Try to level up with personal growth and self development. Like, that really matters. That really does make a difference in your trading. Try to.
My first year, I was on a demo account for one whole year.
And it's okay.
Just practicing.
Yeah, bro. Everybody has to start somewhere. Like I like to say, if you can't flip a demo account, what makes you think you're gonna flip a real account?
A real account.
And then like, if you can't even flip your own money, what makes you think you're gonna be able to flip a prop firm's money? Or just because you can't flip your own money, you think that FTMO, you're just gonna give them $600 and you're gonna be able to flip it? No. You can't even value your own money. What makes you think you'll value somebody else's money? So I didn't really understand the value of money too when I wasn't profitable, when I just kept losing. So I started understanding the value of money better, and handling my finances better, and then I started winning more. Because I started realizing what it was to lose pips.
If you don't respect money, you won't respect you.
Very true. Very true.
That's a nice nugget right there. So I'm gonna make 3 years in February.
3 years in February? Sheesh. How does it feel, brother?
Amazing.
Hey, I'm glad,
You
brother.
gotta see it through. You gotta see it through. Can't start and not finish, you know?
Yeah, facts. That's a lot. That's a big mistake most of us do. You know, we gotta. There's a reason why successful people are successful. You just gotta copy their habits. You know,
You
and
gotta see it through.
You're gonna turn 3 years on trading, doing trading?
Yeah.
In February, I made 3 years.
And in 3 years, how many accounts you blew?
Like 20.
There you go, man. The answer right there. That's how you learn.
Nah, I'm exaggerating, but I blew like a solid more than 10 accounts. It just feels
But
like
it feels
20.
like 20, right? I understand that one. It's my goal to become a day trader from Chino and chat. Hey brother, you will accomplish that goal, brother. You know,
But I
just
didn't
treat
become
it like a
profitable
business.
until like my second year, like half my second year. 'Cause I spent my whole first year on a demo, just a demo account, and then I put real money. And I wasn't profitable until like 6-7 months.
Janis, how old are you, brother? Yeah, well, there's a lot of young traders nowadays. It's a new wave, bro. It's a new generation. You know, I think this generation we can really take advantage of our resources and make money off the internet. And that's why I think we see a lot of young successful e-commerce individuals, and we see a lot of like drop shippers and even women modeling and men
Who knows?
too.
That might all
Bro,
this stuff
when
might
I
be
heard-
happening because of that. Who knows?
Exactly, trading
If
too.
everybody getting rich is not a good thing, that's not what they want. So
You have
who knows?
marketing people who are now, in social medias and internet. So I think also businesses are starting to transition more like using technology and trying to figure out how they can use less people, because it's just cost efficient, time efficient to put in towards people, to invest in humans. So I think it's why we
When
see
I
a
first
lot
heard
of
about
companies
trading, I was
invest in
22.
technology. That what? Wow, somebody's partying.
Yeah.
Club.
I was 23 when I first heard about trading, but I was so hooked on network marketing, I was stuck on that. And I didn't start trading until I was 29.
Robert Kiyosaki is a big one and a big fish in the network marketing sector.
So I was like business after business. I was like Wake Up Now, World Ventures.
Hey, but it's never too late,
what's
brother.
another one?
You're a good example to that. It's never too late. You found out about trading 23. You stuck to other things that caught your interest, and then eventually, your passion found you. That's destiny right there, if you ask me.
Nah, I just landed I landed on IM, and I was like, let me check this out. And I left. I was like, what is this?
Raylo is 18.
They were showing you how to trade, but there was more focus on recruiting and all this other stuff.
Yeah, I think they're more of a network marketing based company. And even if you search them up on the internet, they appear as network marketing company.
They still had a good. I mean, they basically introduced people.
I thank them because they were the ones that introduced me to Forex.
Good. It's not like. I mean, there is benefits. A lot of you guys, a lot of traders, a lot of mentors wouldn't be where they are if they weren't introduced by MLM, which is crazy. Yeah. There's a lot of people. I was very shocked.
I was introduced to trading through them at 16, no, at 15. And my parents thought they were a scam when they told me not to keep doing business with them. And so I started just dabbling on my own.
But wasn't it cool? Stocks. Wasn't it a cool journey? Like, you just wanted to start something. I mean, you were young, You know how, when you're young, you want to do something. It's like, it doesn't matter what the outcome is. It's like, at least you're trying, And then that was probably a good start for you to actually.
My vision was not to work for somebody else. It was to work for myself. That's why at a young age, I started doing network marketing and all that. I didn't want to work. I didn't want to work in 9 to 5. I just want to work on my dreams.
And I think that's why we're out here. So we can focus on our dreams. You're 18, Raylo? Damn, you got a head start, brother. Don't give up, brother. You're young. Keep pushing.
I'm about to be 30. I'm about to be 32.
That's why it's pretty hard to be free and learning, but now is the time. Now is the time, exactly. And no matter the age, now is the time. Not tomorrow, not later. Not in a week, not in a weekend, now is the time. I'm 28, I got a wife and 2 boys. They motivate me to keep pushing. Amen, brother. Don't ever forget what you do it for, Most importantly, remember, you do it for yourself. and then but you've got a family, you gotta provide for them. So don't give up, bro. Just don't be yourself. I know at times it may get hard. You got
Oh,
this.
you still on that? Like 30 minutes.
Took me 8 months of straight back testing and demo, and that's why you're here, passing accounts, getting funded, brother. Keep it up, you know. Like if you don't put in that time, no one's gonna put it in for you. You're just holding yourself back from where you could potentially be in the following year, you know. You're your worst enemy. Always remember that. And if you're not happy with yourself, get up and start. You know, keep being consistent, keep pushing. I've proven to myself that I can make money. Facts. That's nothing sweeter than that, bro. When you can prove to yourself that you can depend on only yourself and nobody else and make money. That is.
I'm trying to install that into my little brother's head. He's like, yo, my friends keep stopping me. You stopping yourself. They ain't stopping you.
That's true.
You're letting them think like that. You're stopping yourself.
People like to learn the hard way. I've always said it. And I was the true example of that. You telling you, bro, people like to learn the hard way. No matter what you say, that's the reason why I said I can tell a new trader everything not to do, and they still gonna do the same mistake. And which is crazy, but it's just a psychology thing. You know, you can't like prepare a trader how to be a trader when they literally just came from a job from 9 to 5. It's just a mindset thing, you know.
It's different.
Yeah, because you're taking risk in the market, but at a job you're not really taking risk. You're getting paid for showing up. So it's just a whole different. And it takes, like I said, the break-even stage is very a long stage, and you shouldn't really fight it or try to force to actually get out of it, because that's how you're gonna fuck up. Just accept the fact that it's gonna take time, and it will eventually just come naturally. You know, you do the same thing you've been doing, and the only thing difference is you start seeing more profit, and that's literally how it goes. And then from there, like, just keep going. You know? I mean, let's be honest. Like when you get paid, it's not really much happening. You know, like okay, like you did good, congratulations. You still wanna accomplish what's next. You don't really care about how much. I mean, that's crazy, but you don't really care how much you made. You really want to go after something next. Like you want to do something next. How you want to become better. How you want to, like, because everybody want to be the best in the game. Like, that's just the truth, you know? Pretty sure all of you guys here want to be the best. And you guys should, I'm not expecting you guys not to be the best. But also just understand that the person who's always putting in the work, gonna always see the most results. You know, that's just how it works. You know, it's not about working smart. It's just like Elon Musk. You know, he put in the work, and he deserves what he deserves. You know, he's the richest man for a reason. You know.
You know what Warren Buffett said? You don't find a way to make money while you sleep. You're gonna work and then you die. You hear me?
The what?
I said Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you're gonna work till the day you die.
That's true. That's the goal, right? When you can just be sleeping and get notifications on your phone.
Okay, but listen, if you have all the money, what's next? Like, let's say, like, if you got all the money, you're able to afford anything you want. What's next? You really think you're gonna look at money the same way if you can afford anything you want? Just look at it from that perspective. You get what I'm saying? Like, just think about you have all the money. What are you gonna do? Isn't life gonna be boring? Like, why do you think Elon Musk's still working? I mean, he can just say, fuck it. He's obviously chasing a purpose, you know? He's kind of like in an adventure, if you get what I'm saying. That's the reason why he can't be stopped, like, no matter how much he makes.
Well, so, even dollar come across. I'm thinking of flipping that dollar to $2. Well, I don't even look at money the same no more.
I think all of you guys have the capability of being the best. You know, just don't give up, guys. And to those that are already being the best, keep being the best.
Facts. What Brian said was big facts.
To be honest with you, you should only focus on just making money where you're able to just cover everything, and just work for the rest of your life. Just work on self-development. You know, Just work on yourself. Just imagine for your rest of your life, like, you're not gonna have to worry about a job or nothing. And you're just working on yourself, like from gym. I'm talking about your mindset. You're working on everything. Just watch. Just imagine how different would you be, you know? Since like everybody's going to job, you know, like a big percentage, bro. Like it's crazy, but I was looking at the numbers. It's a lot of people working, bro.
That's
pretty crazy.
Like right now, my number one goal right now is retiring my mom. That's it.
That's a good goal.
Brian, yeah.
Should be everybody's goal.
Brian, I truly agree with you, bro. That's why I'm a big believer in hanging around those that are like in the same interest as well. Not just for like your own purpose, but like so you guys share the same ideas, the same goals. Like how are you gonna be with somebody? You know, like I've had friends out there, they just wanted to go out and spend money and get drunk and get lit, and then I have other friends that were just staying inside, wanting to back test, not put in the work, maybe study, talk about charts, just having that right support, and that's why I can really say, and probably say that Dr. Dollar is my mentor because he's one that really put me, not just me, but he put his friends on. He took a whole year away from his friends. He literally just isolated himself, studied, he invested in mentorships, he invested in one-on-ones, he invested in videos, courses, and then he was able to find his own strategy, and then he became profitable, and then guess what he did? Yo, when he saw I was struggling, he came to me like, yo, give me 3 months. I gave him 3 months, boom, made me a better trader. Other people, he has friends who he's put on to trading, he has friends that he's helped drop a certain lifestyle for a better one. And that's just all my friends around me. All my friends I can vouch that they all we all put each other on. Another friend fucking has multiple businesses. And then after being successful in one says like, yo, you wanna partner up? Let's do it. I got the blueprint. That's just the type of crowd that I'm with. That's the type of friends I'm trying to be with. I'm not trying to be with friends that are gonna, hold me back. I'm not trying to be with those that are just gonna like have the wrong goals, like we're like at I'm 23, I'm trying to like be a better person who I was when I was 22 and 21 and 20.
Like, you're really young though, you know that, right?
Oh yeah, I know.
Like,
I'm really young.
You too. Boogie down. You're actually still young. You might look like you're old, but
Eric, how old are you, bro?
You just been living longer, bro.
Eric, how old are you?
I'm 31, but I'm 32.
I'm 21.
Oh, so we're both young. Making me feel like you're fucking.
Like, trust me, bro. I literally, bro, I look at myself as like I'm still 18. I just finished high school. Like I don't look at myself as like, oh, I'm too old and stuff. Like I want to live life not actually caring how old I am. Because some people actually, like, when they get older, they start thinking like they can't accomplish stuff. They start giving up on their life and stuff. They'd be like, you know what, just want to retire, just relax and stuff. That shouldn't be the goal, bro. You should always look to actually accomplish something that a lot of people wouldn't expect you to accomplish. A lot of people gonna look at you all like you're old and stuff, you can't do much, but what if you can prove them wrong? There's no proof that you can't do it. Anything is possible. Even when somebody call a trade right now, I'm not gonna underestimate them. I never underestimate anybody because I know the brain is the strongest weapon ever. Like if somebody really want to do something, like, I truly believe in that. So I never doubt anybody. If somebody says, oh, gold is gonna sell, all right, I do. I'm not be like, oh, because I see buys, he sees sells. I mean, he's wrong and I'm right. I'm not gonna have that ego into it. I'm gonna be like, okay, there is a potential of sell because the market's gonna do whatever. So you gotta look at it from that perspective. I mean, a lot of people be like, oh, I see sells, he sees buys. It's not really like an argument thing, We should always look at it as like, okay, but why does he see that? Okay, let me actually investigate. You should always make it like interesting. When you're actually sharing like a bias between like the group and everybody. Just making sure that you actually understand their perspective too. You can ask them questions why you see that.
That's the beauty of trading. Everybody
trades different. About freedom trading, brother.
Bro, I literally learned from everybody here. Literally, that's the crazy thing. I learned from everybody, bro. There's always something that I might not see that they see. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't always want to act like you're the best, because at the end of the day, like there's people better in the game too, and been longer in the game too, and you gotta respect that too. Like for somebody to be profitable 6 years, 5 years, you gotta show respect to that. Not a lot of people can do it on a long-term scale.
Bro, somebody
People
fell
don't
asleep.
know that.
No, yeah, and at the end of the day, if the person is successful
Someone-
for 6 years, it's for a reason. So like, we can
Yeah.
all learn from that person, you know. So it's not just about
No.
I'm the only one that's right, you know. That ego kills, you know.
Yeah.
Having an ego kills, and it can destroy an individual. Not everyone is built the same. Sometimes you love people from a distance and acknowledge not everyone will be on your path. It's always all love, nothing personal. Facts, Brian. You know how many friends don't understand that though? You know how many, all those friends that told me to give up, all those friends that told me, you know, why do I keep losing? Oh, you're an idiot. You just keep spending all your paychecks on that. Even relationships, girlfriends. Oh, like, you know, I don't think I want to be with you because you risk too much and you don't give me security. Like, all right, where are you now? And where am I at? You know, it's nothing but love, nothing personal. I love you, and I love my friends that I'm not, you know, hanging out
To be
with
honest with
anymore.
you,
And
you
all that.
shouldn't you shouldn't really be like expecting like a hater to actually like when somebody hating, I actually understand. Like you should always understand why they thinking like that. Sometimes people actually don't think like logically, you know. Some people are actually like programmed, which is crazy, but it's actually true. People are actually programmed. They think like they're right, and the life they going through is right, and everybody else, like the whole 1% is wrong, and they're right.
Bro,
Eric.
Clearly, it's 1%. Like, wait, who's that?
Eric, I
What?
thought it was coming from you. I was about to ask you, Eric, if you have somebody in your room that's
Nah, bro, you
sleeping or
tripping,
something.
bro.
I think it
I've
was.
been hearing that. I just been ignoring it. I was like, what the fuck?
No, it was. You know
been
how.
going on for like a half hour. It was like on and off.
Yeah, right. I couldn't find the green arrow on the box that is like, you know, giving the noise signal, and I thought it was only coming from you. That's how I was like, yo, Eric.
Who was it? You found it?
It was iPhone. Somebody fell asleep on their phone. But you know,
That boy fell asleep.
I feel him though. Look at the charts, bro. I feel him. Why would I was asleep too?
Dude, for real, the charts, something's going on, you know. But but at the end of the day, like I said earlier, no trade day is a good day. It's a fucking winning day.
Yeah.
We get to be here. Some of you guys probably aren't good at patience. Being here and seeing us not execute a trade may help you practice patience, and it's why we're all here. You know, it's why I hop on, and you know, it's not always having to be get in a trade. Like, you can still
If you
be a
want to be a
trader, not
patient
get in.
trader, just keep losing. If you want to be a patient trader, just keep losing. That's the best example. Like I'm telling you, bro. Once you lose so much, you will understand that you would rather literally miss 50 trades just to make sure that everything follows smoothly as you expect.
Those days that I don't trade, man, I feel so proud, man. You know, that means that you're a responsible trader.
Nah, I lose 2 trades a day. I'm out. I don't trade for the whole day.
No, but there's those nights that you stare for like 3 hours at the charts and you don't see anything, and you're not forcing trades. You're not, you know. It feels good.
I mean, I never understood why would you put like a risk in something that's not really moving too much.
Giannis, you're still gonna get those people that come in here. You know.
That's a psychology, Eric.
There's you know, Giannis, that's the thing. You know, a lot of people believe that just by having your screen open on the Zoom, you'll be successful. At the end of the day, I don't care. You know, I don't judge. I know there's a lot of people. I know there's a lot of people that have a whole day and they have 2 jobs, and that's why I don't judge ever. You know, that guy probably just finished his second job and is probably gonna go to another job, or he's probably on a 1 hour break. Like, you know, we've all been there probably, but you know, just mute yourself.
We definitely all work, bro.
Oh, wait, my bad. What up? I can't hear you guys.
Bro.
Holy dollar, bro. You gotta fix that mic.
Was that dollar talking like that?
Yeah, that was dollar. Oh, look, to all of you guys who are new on the YouTube, yo, dollar, you gotta lower yourself.
What's up with y'all?
So with you, bro.
Everybody who's new on this YouTube, this is Dollar. This is my mentor. You know, he's the one who founded Freedom Trading. This guy's a beast. You know, if it weren't for him, we really wouldn't be here maybe. So, love you, brother. And they got Snipes next to him.
Yo.
What's up, boys?
What up, Brody?
What up, gang? How's everyone doing?
We got the whole gang here now, complete. We're now complete.
Working.
How do you like your new computer?
What?
How do you like your new computer?
Bro, fire. It's not new. It's the same shit. It just got a new monitor, bro. I can't believe I fucked up the old one.
That happens. Everything happens for a reason.
Well, what's up with you guys? Any trades?
No trades, bro. Look at this. It's just been here. It's just been here. Well,
give me motivation speed, bro.
It's just been here.
let's see. We really haven't been looking at GJ. Let's see if it's still in the. I think it's still in the range. I believe. Yep, still in that range. No trade range. So we're just a couple traders waiting for candle closures.
Fire. But what's the setups for tonight?
I'm pretty bullish on gold, bro. I'm just waiting for I want to catch gold buys up here. I was considering taking at the candle flip.
Yeah, it sure looks clean.
Yeah, because I like if we just have to reject. I want to see the 1 hour close a little bit weaker, or at least bullish. You know, if it closes bullish, it'll be nice. The 1 hour close in 25 minutes. So 2 hours.
Yeah, we gotta fix your night bot, bro.
Why? What's wrong with the night bot?
The motherfucker be tripping out.
Oh yeah, it thinks people.
They've been going off all night.
It thinks sometimes some people spam and shit.
We'll fix it, Janice, for next stream.
Nothing personal, Jonas. It's not us. It's the Nightbot. The Nightbot is just weird.
The Nightbot has it out to get him, bro.
I think the Nightbot has a crush on you.
Facts. Do you guys hear an echo or no?
Nope. Nope.
Alright.
Nope. Are you looking at the charts tonight?
I really don't see shit, bro, for me, honestly.
Yeah, we're just here practicing psychology, you know, patience, not being impulsive, being safe,
Way to do it, brother.
protecting cash. He like me or even she. Yeah, it's 2023. We gotta use he, she pronouns. Nothing personal.
Yo, Ruben, you look like faded as fuck.
Rubens looks faded and then he takes another rip.
Yeah, bro, he be too lit.
It's like, yo, you can't really get more faded than that, right? And then he'll just take another rip.
Oh,
that's possible. It's really possible.
Once I decided ain't shit happening on the charts, I'm getting high as hell, bro.
Baby, can you pass me the plan?
Are y'all in gold cells? No, we're not in gold cells at the moment. I'm waiting for candle closures still. For this.
I'm about to roll up myself in a second.
Sorry for talking over you, brother.
No, you didn't talk over me.
There was a lot going on.
Yo, Gendy got us right with that cut. Look at this guy.
Something night. Bro, I swear to God, we did our nails, bro. We're looking pretty, bro. We're looking pretty.
Yeah, we did do our nails and got a haircut and shit. We gotta get right for the week. I use my hands a lot, you know. I like. Also, since I use my hands a lot, it limits me from like biting my nails or like sometimes my skin will be peeling and I'll just bite it off. So having my nails done is like just maintaining them good.
Bro, next time we're gonna get our feet done too.
I just didn't have time. I typically get my feet and my hands done, bro. What's wrong with that? The fuck is wrong with you, Snipes, huh? Jealous?
He's just a hater, right?
Yeah.
He wishes he was here with us.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Dude, and they be massaging your leg and shit. It's dope.
Personal maintenance.
It's a guy and he's like looking at you and shit too. Chicondon.
What's wrong, bro? What's wrong? You can't handle. Are you insecure about a guy touching your leg?
I mean, yeah, just a little bit. It's because he's sus, bro.
Yeah, bro. If you get insecure, it's because you're a little.
Happy massage.
Dude, this shit died, brother.
My computer?
Bye.
Yeah. Someone's snoring on the mic. It's usually my pug, but it's not my pug this time.
No, yeah, for the first time in a long time, it wasn't your plug. Don't trade so much, then I'm gonna be more time. Yeah, bro, that's my. Every week I try to limit myself from a certain amount of trades. I think I did great this week. I'm pretty satisfied with my results. The week's not over, but 3 trades, 110
That's
pips.
because you're a champion, brother.
Thank you, brother. Hey, I deserve that belt. I'm gonna go claim it.
You're the fucking champ, man.
Fucking, I'm a champ every day. I wake up like a champ. I go to sleep thinking I'm a champ. Happy ending to be glad. Now we know. No happy ending massages for me.
Yo, by the way, boys, my PC comes on Saturday. Finally gave me a fucking
Finally,
date.
nigga.
Finally.
So on Monday, you guys already know what's gonna be going on. I will be going live on Monday, 9 in the morning, New York live stream, Freedom Trading channel.
Sheesh.
So yes,
Guys,
finally got a date.
put a one in the chat if you're new here. Yo, we got 70 motherfuckers in here, man.
Thank you all guys for being here, bro.
31 likes. Y'all better all hit the like button.
Yeah,
Facts,
you guys are awesome. Next week,
let's see if we can get some more people in here.
next week we'll be doing New York and London session, and then starting January we'll most likely be doing Asian session, London session, and New York session. So we're gonna take over the markets. So, there's a lot of people that can't catch certain markets, and they trade other time zones because of where they are. So the whole gang will be available for you guys for whatever in every single market. So it's pretty dope. I don't know. I'm excited.
Bro, have you seen the news for New York yet?
Also, I'm excited because I've already traded New York session. I liked it. I liked London session, and starting New Year's I'll probably be trading Asian session. So I'm pretty excited to try something new too. See which one I like the most. But in here every day, double tasking while working in the military. Sheesh. Where are you from, Houdini?
He's probably from Magic Land.
Magic Land. When you come from the land down under. Y'all planning on doing any meetups next year? Yeah, we are actually. We're in the talks. So possibly. Let's see. I'd be down to go somewhere outside of the US too, maybe. I don't know, depending where everybody's at.
Puerto Rico.
We already hit Puerto Rico. I'm down to go again though, but not for vacation.
Colombia, brother.
I don't know how many Colombians we have here. I'll probably have to move to Colombia, to be honest with you, if I go.
I'm trying to do Spain in March.
Spain?
Who gave you a one-on-one, Houdini?
I wanted in Thailand.
Oh, I remember you, brother. Is that the name, bro? Houdini. How are you, bro? I haven't spoken to you in a long time. This guy's pretty cool. So he'll be at work. He's right now in the military, but he's deployed in Italy, and he'll be at work and while being on the charts, his job gives him that availability. It's pretty sweet, and he's traveling and shit, so getting paid to trade.
Damn, boys, I really don't see shit in the markets, bro. And today's not gonna be the day that I go to GJ and look at GJ. GJ is disgusting, bro. Bro, every day I look at GJ and I'm so happy I don't fucking trade it, bro.
GJ's just done
put a one in the chat. If you trade GJ, put a one in the chat.
Bro, I'm just gonna say one, bro. I'm not even gonna type it.
Bro, it's not even. It's
One.
not.
One.
Bro, it's not even worth a one, bro. That shit's disgusting, bro. Have you guys been winning?
US 30 right now.
No, bro. I've been doing terrible the last month.
You'll get back to
No,
it.
I'm looking at US 30 right now.
Guys, but remember what I always say, dude, is just find your trending bears. You know, right now it's fucking gold. Gold is trending pretty nice, so you guys should just stick to gold. You know.
Yeah, I just never like scalped it because I was always scared because it got big wicks.
Yeah.
But now's a good time to back test it since the markets are kind of trash for the rest of the year.
There's news coming out at 4:30.
With who?
4:30.
DPP.
With who?
With pound.
Oh.
Oh, really?
Are you guys there?
Yeah, we're here. We were looking at Forex Factory.
Bro, it gets quiet for like 2-3 minutes.
I got distracted with Forex Factory there. I was just reading.
Yeah, I was like, yo, am I frozen or something?
Oh, yeah, we just froze on you a little.
What happened earlier too? Everybody just got quiet.
Wait, what are you looking at, Dominic? Gold?
Bro, I'm looking at my account and it's up right now, and I don't want to fuck it up on a day like this.
You're right. I just keep thinking about the
Story of
week.
my life.
But I honestly, I think gold might sell off here, bro. Like, we're breaking out of the trend line. This is the JP strat.
You wanna show your screen?
You looking at the 1 hour or the daily?
But will Zoom be able to see my... no, it's fine, bro. Just... Dude, my chart's like the same shit as yours.
Oh, but yeah, because of the Streamlabs, the YouTube won't be able to see it, but then I'd have to play with it. I'm not as savvy as you, you know. I have to learn how to. I have to watch some videos on Streamlabs.
Bro, so all you gotta do is like when I share my screen, you move. So you move like the whole zoom. You know how it's gonna show you like a zoom window?
Yeah.
You move it to what you're sharing right now. So on top of your chart, you just move it and then it'll go there.
Oh.
So anything you move in front of your chart right now will show on YouTube.
Anything I move on my chart right now will show on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yeah, we can try.
Alright, you should be able to share it now.
Bro, YouTube chats, bro.
Why?
Just read what Jan said.
I'm just tripped.
Oh.
I was done.
Hey, Janice, you gotta contact Eric. Eric's your man for that.
I do cash for crypto.
Eric has all the airplanes. He has all the helicopters. He has all the politicians you gotta speak to.
I do cash for crypto, by the way. If you guys want that, let me know.
Eric, they need you.
Just pay your taxes.
What is that?
Well, I haven't happened to a crypto in months.
Oh, this
last crypto I was holding was Shiba, and I got out that thing.
Nah, bro. I think if you guys noticed, bro, BTC.
Yeah.
I think that shit's gonna rip. I hope it rips, but you know, it's been letting me down recently.
Might hop back in Ethereum.
Oh, dude, I have a shit ton of Ethereum, bro. But bro, until BTC does some shit, it's not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah.
Look at this retracement.
That's like the god of crypto.
Yeah.
Bitcoin don't move, then none of them will move.
Right? Is that what it's got into?
Play the
I remember when
long-term
Bitcoin
game.
was $1.
Trust me, bro. Just play the long-term game.
Do any of
You always
y'all
win.
do any of y'all have a whole Bitcoin?
Nah.
Nah.
I would like to buy one.
Close, but nah.
I would like to buy one at 10 if it gets to 10,000.
No.
Yeah, I don't think they'll touch that low.
I only have one Bitcoin, but that's just cause, dude, that's like the NAS 100, bro. Bitcoin's like NAS, and then all the other ones are like fucking stocks, individual stocks. So I have a shit ton of. My biggest holding right now is Ethereum, but I just have one Bitcoin to say I have a Bitcoin.
Well, I remember when Dogecoin first dropped.
Everybody was in Dogecoin, even the
bro,
mothers.
Bitcoin right now is only
Everybody.
fucking 17K, bro. You get, like, it's not like 65K like where it was before.
Nah, but I'm gonna wait for like another little hike down, little drop down a little more.
Bro, imagine we just fucking hold, bro, all the way back up to 70K, bro. Jesus Christ. Bro, we'll be rich, bro.
I'm buying the island.
Dude,
my net worth literally goes with the crypto market, bro.
Buying Dominican Republic off.
Nexo Bank is good for washing. Damn. I don't know. I would
Definitely
never.
don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
We're doing some all-star kill over here, huh?
Definitely don't want to talk about it.
Yo, facts, Brian. I think killed a lot of freaking crypto companies.
Oh shit, we got Lucky.
That was a big.
Lucky's in here.
Lucky's in here.
What's up, Lucky?
What part of the world are you at now?
Wait, where is he? Is he on the chat or is he on the Zoom?
My boy's fucking traveling hella, dude. He's in the Zoom.
No, I mean I don't expect him to be here in Miami still. He finally sold his business. He can finally focus more on him and relax.
Isn't that the goal though when we get old?
Exactly.
And when we get old right now.
Where's Lucky, bro? Where'd you see him?
I have a serious question. Should I leave the mullet in the back or not?
You never took it out?
Yeah, I took it out.
Yeah, I think it looks better without it, bro.
Yeah, it looks better like that, bro. Fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's clean.
I don't know how I feel about it, honestly.
You wanted the Parce Savage FX cut with the mullet?
That shit goes hard, low-key. But this is more professional.
Yeah, I tried something new today.
I used to have a rat tail growing up.
Yo, I low-key want to thank you for really suggesting to put the hair to the side. I'm fucking with it.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro, you got a girl's number and everything, dude. That's me.
You got a little comb over?
That got a little comb over, yeah. It's rising wedge pattern. Yeah, that's what I have here. I have a little wedge pattern set up. Just want to see, let's see if this trend line is valid, though. It seems like price wants to break out of it.
The window goes down by itself.
That
bro,
what?
I think honestly sells. Dude, I need to see a top wick, bro.
I also want to see candle close below, and then I want to see the next candle create a nice top wick, giving me clean indication that it's rejecting that area of the buys, to then execute on the sells. And the sells would be pretty good because we can get some.
We could wait for 1786.5, bro. I think that 1786.6 area, 0.5 area. Because there's market structures breaking to the downside, bro, on the hourly time frame. And we've just been correcting to the upside, honestly. So if we can't break previous highs at 1808, then we're going to come down and break previous lows at 1766.
Yeah, I do.
That's my opinion. We could just be ranging in this big-ass range. Could be. Because looking left, bro, notice 1807 area. We just tapped right into it. And bro, we came down after that. So maybe that's like a level of supply, which is something. I'm gonna make my next YouTube video on supply and demand, boys. I'll be making it tomorrow. I'll get it edited and I'll be posting it soon. I just been moving, boys. I've been moving, so I haven't been able to make videos and shit.
I like supply and demand better.
How's the new crib treating you?
Dude, fire. I love it.
Yeah.
You still in Miami?
Yeah, Miami. Next stop, bro. I'm probably not.
I need to go visit. I'm like.
Oh, you guys gotta pull up. You guys gotta pull up.
I'm like 2 hours and a half from Miami. I used to live in Miami. I used to live in Hialeah.
Where you at?
Apalaca.
He's in Orlando.
Orlando.
Like Orlando Kissimmee area.
Oh, that's dope. I fuck with it.
Apalaca's a nice area. I'll be there sometimes.
That's where I was living at.
Yeah, right, bro. Apalaca didn't even hear shots.
I was living
bro.
on
What's up with
22nd
Apalaca,
and
bro?
135th.
Oh, you live right there by the metro?
Bro, I was living on 135th and 22nd.
135th and 22nd?
That area is bad, bro.
My boy said, "Oh, I think it's pretty nice area." You've never even stepped foot over there, JP.
But I left New York to go to Melbourne.
What do you mean, Anthony?
I went from New York to Apalaca to Hialeah to Orlando.
That's where my Friendsgiving was at. Anthony lives right there in Apalaca, but it's Apalaca Hialeah area, so it's much nicer. It's it's north, but what do you mean? It's north of the train of the metro. You know how the metro splits pretty much like the river area with like Apalaca and Hialeah? Well, he lives on top of that area. Like right there, he lives like literally 7 minutes, 5 minutes driving from the train, from the metro. I don't know what address that is, but.
Yeah. Bro, we just hit an order block. You heard, JP?
Order block?
Look at the order block. We studied it yesterday, brother.
Oh, yeah, I see it right here, right? Because of a bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle.
Fucker, look, I'm gonna send you a picture. It's okay, you tried.
I don't understand order blocks yet, I guess. Send the picture so we could.
Dude, we will learn by the end of these streams, bro, what the fucking order block is, and hopefully, maybe we'll use it, maybe we won't. But look, right over here. But look how clean my chart is. Oh my god, dude, I'm like a fucking smart money trader.
You're not showing it, are you?
I'm gonna send it to you right now.
Oh.
Oh, I can't send the file?
Yeah, you could. I just got it. Oh, I have to download it? I don't know about how I feel about downloading.
Bro, just do it. I need your social, bro.
Depends how big of a loan you're trying to secure, brother.
But put it up for the YouTube and the Zoom.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Wait, no, the Zoom can click on it, but for the YouTube.
Hold on.
Wait, Snipes left? Oh, shit.
Alright, right here.
Guys, don't touch the fans on the bottom. It's okay.
Might have just backtest gold and prepare for the new year.
Are you struggling there, brother?
Oh yeah, because it's locked. I locked my I'm gonna stop sharing. You're just gonna share the screen, brother. I'm not trying to mess with Streamlabs right now.
Alright, just make sure you share it for the YouTube.
Go. You can share your screen now.
Right here.
Wait.
Right here.
Wait.
Wait, it's too big. You gotta.
Right here. You see it?
Wait. I'll tell you when. I got it here though. But wait. Let me go here. Display capture.
Do you see it though? Zoom?
Not yet.
Yeah.
The Zoom sees it, but wait. I'm trying to make sure that the. Can the YouTube see it? Can chat? Can you guys see it?
No, you don't see anything on there.
YouTube can't see it.
Yeah, bro. The thing is, you're putting it on the wrong part. You put it where you put the pictures on it.
Yeah, you put it where you put our Zoom videos.
Yeah, where you put the videos, or cameras and stuff.
Let me see this one. I think I pressed the wrong one. What about, can the YouTube see it now?
Nah, it's the same
Still?
thing.
I don't know what to do then.
You see the infinite. Oh, you see it now.
Oh, they could see it?
On YouTube, yeah.
Alright, so,
fire.
wait.
Alright,
so
No, not yet.
Now you
Yeah,
should be able to see it.
Yeah, hold.
Yeah, it's just the chat is delayed by 60 seconds on the YouTube, so.
Oh, okay. Alright, so you stay.
Alright, ready?
Back.
We're good?
It's too big. It's way big on the YouTube.
Just minimize.
It's way zoomed in right now.
What about now?
This isn't going as planned, huh?
What about now?
Like you got nearsighted.
What about now?
There we go.
Alright.
Oh, it just left.
Alright, so I can give you guys a full fucking breakdown on this shit. You guys want it? Alright, so on the daily chart, on the daily, right? We have a previous support over here that we're tapping into. So that's my daily area, correct? Looking at overall trend, bro, we could be bearish. We double topped here all the way at the top. That's why I am liking more sells, bro. We double topped, we're creating a downtrend here, but this could be the switch of trend, right? We triple bottomed here at the bottom. So I understand, okay, if this is the floor of the market, we would need to start breaking the resistance of the market, right? Which is right up here if we want to take buys. Underneath that area, it's sketchy for buys. Why? Because that's a previous support, now turning resistance. Now, looking at the lower time frames, now we're gonna go down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can tell, okay, rejection here, now we're getting the same rejection at that zone, correct? So now, if we can't break this zone, we're most likely gonna break the level below it, correct? Now, if you notice, where is the impulse coming from? Yes, the impulses are coming here to the upside, but the most recent impulse of the market came to the downside, which is right over here. That impulse shows you, okay, price might be wanting to switch its trend from a bullish trend to a downtrend, correct? So, but the only way we will actually get confirmation of that is if we start to create lower lows and lower highs, which we haven't done that. That's why any sells at this area is still a little risky. But now, if I want to look and see if price has a Fibonacci here, fib, correct? We have our 618. Now we can see, okay, this is a fib level that we could possibly reject and start to come down here. But not only that, let's look at the lower time frames, right? So now we're going down every single time frame. I have an explanation for every single time frame because that's how I trade. I like to look at every detail on every time frame. So now, looking at this time frame, actually let's go lower to the hourly. Looking at the hourly, we have our order block, right? Or supply level. This level this level here brought this impulse, correct? So what makes you think if we can't break this area, should we get a next impulse down over here? Possibly, correct? Now with that order block, you guys can now see and understand what I'm looking at, right? The order block, we tapped into it. We caught all the sellers here that pushed down price over here. We know that there's sellers here, so this is now a level of supply, right? Which is what I'm going to be talking about in the next video. How do I find these supply levels and how you guys can start to find them too, and then using them as a confluence. Now, right over here, we start to create our what? No trade range, right? If we go down to 30-minute, where's our no trade range? Our no trade range is right over here. Support, our resistance. We have our no trade range. I know my chart's a little bit all over the place, but I'm sure you guys can understand. We have our risky sells. Why is this a risky sell level? Because we're still kind of bullish here, right? We're still bullish here. So these will be risky sells, and then these will be safe sells because we're breaking market structure twice at that area, right? Safe sells. Now we got safe buys. These can be safe buys because now we're above daily support, previous support, right? That's our daily level, so we know. Okay, now we can take safe buys, sorry. Safe buys. So that's my chart. Simple.
Pretty nice. Pretty neat.
I'm not gonna lie, that was actually pretty cool, that order block shit.
Yeah, right?
Dude, it works.
Rejected it perfectly.
like, bro, I'm constantly trying to like evolve my trading. I'm not just trying to be a breakout trader forever, you know? Trying to constantly look for ways for me to get better entries or help my trading out to take it from maybe, you know, 70, 80% to fucking 90%. That's the goal, bro. I'm never comfortable, bro. I'm never looking to, oh, okay, I'm not gonna fix what's not broken. No, I'm gonna fucking try to make what works better. Simple. But yeah, I hope you guys understood. Put a one in the chat if you understood.
So it was fire.
Fire. Whoa. See.
Shit. We can't see the whole thing.
Damn, JP, you got 74 people in here. Sheesh.
Yo, shout out to all 74
people.
I
gotta help you how to set up that team, bro.
I'm not setting it up right now. I'm not doing anything. It's doing it on its own. I think it's just lagged. Remember that. But it should be able to share my screen now. I'm just looking at the. Let me see. It should work. I think it's going dummy on my YouTube actually.
Yeah, on the YouTube.
Wait, let me see. Let me click the live button. No, yeah, it's going dummy on the live. All right, let's do this. I know what to do.
I think it's just sharing the.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. There we go. So it should be fixed now. Give it like 30 seconds on the YouTube. There we go. Look, I just want to see two things. I want to see either a retest of this breakout to then continue to sell off, or I want to see this trade below this area of resistance.
Yeah, we're still in the risky sells, bro.
Yeah.
There's no reason to rush. Also, this could be a level supply that we're tapping into. But the bigger level, bro, is for the sells, dude. I see sells. I don't know why. And the fact that we're flying 5 minutes into the candle, bro, this next candle could be bigger than the previous candle for sells. Because then it's gonna create the three white soldiers or 3 gravestones.
Yeah, look, I also
then
see
push
here.
price down.
I also see here breakout, retest, and we could see the.
That's like the range too. You see it forming?
Yep. And it's trading below this area of resistance, so I like it.
It's literally range 2 forming right now, bro. It's catching all. If people are feeling risky, they're in the cells right now, tripping balls. But it could be a fake out, bro. So look, let's say price doesn't melt, right? But we come back into the range and retest. Let's say we come from 1791.74, which is where we're at right now, and we come up to 1793, 756. Then we come down and tap into 1792 and form some support there. Then we can look for buys and trade our no trade range, because then it's a fake out to the downside, and now we're back in our no trade range, meaning we can then buy it up to like 1796 zone.
Yeah, there's a lot of sellers at this area, especially after all this push that we're seeing. So they could get liquidated up at a higher price.
That's the thing, bro. People see one break of support and they're automatically selling, which you shouldn't, bro. You have to understand. The banks, what they're doing is they're gonna show you a clear fucking level to sell at, They're gonna give you a move, you're gonna get fucking clapped, and then you're not gonna take the re-entry, which is the winning trade. But you always gotta trust your psychology, trust your strategy in all forms. But then we look at GJ, and GJ's just a fucking piece of shit, dude. Like, yo, I have a no trade range. I'm sorry for all my GJ traders out there, bro, but this shit's trash, dude. Look, I'm gonna tell you why. Because I have a no trade range from 167, 420, 420 blaze it, 167, 420, and 166. All until 166, bro.
Damn, boy.
So I wouldn't even touch it, bro. Think about how many people blew their accounts in that shit. I just see blown accounts, bro. Like, when I'm looking at that chart, scary, bro.
Yeah,
I feel bad.
Break even.
Allah, how many accounts you blown?
In my life?
Since you started trading?
Shit. A lot. A lot, bro. Too many to count, honestly. I want to say like 15. Bro, I blew 10 FTMO challenges before I passed one.
Bro. I blew 3 Forex fund challenges. I just passed the first one.
Oh, dude, you're a beast then, bro. Good thing. Because I was going through it, bro. It was rough. But eventually, if you just stick with it, you eventually pass them like it's water, bro. Because once you realize that it's just your rules, your psychology behind the trading, you not trying to revenge trade and get back your losses in one trade, like, that's what's going to keep your account alive, bro. If you guys just focus on... If you guys just focus on over-risking, not over-risking and not over-trading, bro, I promise you, you guys will stop blowing accounts. Like, that's one thing that I didn't learn. I thought that it was just my trading. But, bro, there's the rules that come to trading that actually help your actual trading. If that makes sense. But everything comes with time, bro. A lot of people want this shit overnight, bro. Like, they don't know what the fuck I've been through, bro. Like, to fucking figure this whole shit out. And then, like, not getting comfortable, bro. A lot of people get comfortable. They're like, oh, I got it. And then guess what? The market starts to change. And since you weren't studying and trying to figure out new things to the market, or there's also people that they're just, their ego gets in the way of them learning. Oh, I'm the best. Yeah, right. So you just because you're the best, you're not practicing, you're not doing what you have to do, you get me? Like, you gotta do. Daniel just sent sales. I mean, bro,
hopefully he
wins.
Looks
nice for sales, but it's just in a range. I wouldn't even fucking look at GJ, bro. It's not worth it.
Yeah, I want to see it trade below 166, 550 is where I would want to see it.
Yeah, and also for Euro JPY, you guys can possibly sell 143, 100. 143, 100, I think is a clean fucking trade to continue down. But also, like, looking at the, like, for a short time, like, for a trade right now, damn, yeah, it does look like it wants to sell off right now. But, dude, what's telling you that we're not going to come to 143, 670 and bounce right back up? Nothing, bro. We bounced at that zone so many times. Also for GJ, bro, what's telling us that it's going to come to 166, 700 and bounce back up? And if it does come down, it could possibly come down to like 500, which that would be his TP. But I'm not with that shit. I'm not with it. I'd rather wait for the market to give me a setup that I truly like rather than me just try to gamble on a setup that looks like shit. The reality of it.
What up, Sky Blue?
Yeah, this guy, bro.
What?
This guy promoting his fucking shitty signals on our chat. We got him. We got him, gang. I'm actually gonna call it, boys. But like I said, bro, if I see price start to come back up and start trading above 1793, I'll wait for a small retracement, hold that level at 1792.500, and start taking it to the upside. That's all I'm looking for.
I'm gonna call it a night with you too, cause I'm gonna low key go for a run. Try to go to bed by 5.
Oh yeah, bro.
I love everybody who was here. Anybody who's in a position right now, good luck to you guys. It's just right now in no trade range for me. I want to see a clean rejection before I execute, and if you're in the VIP, I'll send a trade there in the VIP if I see something. So thank you to everybody who's new here. Thank you all, everybody for the likes, the views, popping in. You guys are all great. Remember that. And tomorrow's PPI news, so be careful. Trade, managing risk. Remember, it's better to wake up on Sunday when the market opens at 7 p.m. Eastern time to an account. And wherever you're at, just wait. There's always next week. You don't have to trade tomorrow. So appreciate you guys.
Bro, you know what? Before we leave, one of the best things that I learned, it's fucking Friday, bro. Bro, if you guys are up or down, bro, Friday is the day to reflect. Friday is the day to look back and see, okay, what did I do right and what did I do wrong? It's not to force a trade because you want to be a winner for the weekend. It's not to fucking take stupid gambler freaking entries, bro. Just relax, chill out, bro. You have fucking this year, all of next year, the next year after that, the next year after that to trade. So why do you want it so bad today? Just look back. And plus, bro, I bet most of you guys probably took some losing trades and haven't even reviewed it. So I think what you guys should do on a Friday is mark all your trades up on your chart, look back at those trades, see how they could have been better, see what you did right, see what you did wrong, and then move on to the next trading week so you can become a better trader for the next week. Simple. I'm done.
Peace out, gang.
Peace.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace out, Ru. Peace out.
Have a great weekend,
Peace out, everybody. Peace out, Eric.
Take care, gang.
Peace out, Junior. Peace out, chat. Hope you guys have a great night.